Hello everyone, welcome to my channel once again. I am Charles sir, and in this tutorial I am going to present before you base multiplication. Base multiplication means numbers which can be multiplied and which are close to 100. Like for example 92 multiplied by 94, very fast. 89 multiplied by 98, 104 multiplied by 106, and so on and so forth. Now before we begin the cases, I would like to tell you that I have taken base 100, and as we all know that we have base 10, base 100, base 1000, 10,000 and so on. Now all the concepts which we are going to learn, they will be applicable for all the bases. Only that in the later on bases, that is beyond 100, the numbers will be bigger. Whereas at 100, the numbers are slightly lesser, and you can understand it very easily. Case number 1. Now in case number 1, when numbers are less than 100. Now for example, question 1. 91 multiplied by 99. You can see very carefully over here. 91 is close to 100 but slightly lesser than 100. Similarly 99 is also less than 100 but slightly lesser than 99. So we must find how far they are from 100. So 99 is minus 9 units from 100, and you can check it up. 91 plus 9, 100, right? Or 100 minus 9 is equal to 91. Now if you see 99 is minus 1 unit away from 100, and you can check it up. 99 plus 100, 100 minus 1, 99. Now once we have found these two very important numbers, they are called deviations, 9 and minus 1. You must write minus 9 and minus 1 because this means you have to subtract minus 9 and minus 1. I'll tell you the technique right now. Okay, so deviations is very important from that sense of view that they form the second part of the answer. Now let us see the first part of the answer. 91 minus 1. 91 crisscross. 91 minus 1. 91 minus 1. This is the first part. 91 minus 1 is 90, and 99 minus 9 is 90. Either way you subtract, you get the same number, 90. So 90 is the first part of the answer. And the second part of the answer is 9 multiplied by 1. Either you write minus 9 multiplied by 1, minus 1, or 9 multiplied by 1, because two negatives will make one positive in multiplication. Now when we do the calculations or combine the two parts together, 91 minus 1, 90, and 9 ones are 9. Now should you write 9 over here? No, we will not write 9 over here. Why? Because base has 2 zeros. So the second part of the answer should be 2 digits, not 9. 9 is a single digit. So we must write 09. This is your final answer. Be very careful of the second part of the answer. The second question. 94 multiplied by, you can say, 93. 94 multiplied by 93, as we can see, they are very close to 100. Now how far is 94 away from 100 it is minus 6. And what about 93? Minus 7. Quickly you can add it up. 94 plus 6, 100. 100 minus 6, 94. The same thing with this. 93 plus 7, 100. So that is okay. Now we will do the first part first. 94 minus 7. This is the first part. And the second part is 6 multiplied by 7. As I told you, you can write minus 6 multiplied by minus 7, which will turn out to be positive, or you can just write positive, the sign over there. As I told you, you can cross multiply this 94 minus 7 or 93 minus 6. In either ways, you will get 87. This is the first part of the answer. 87, and the other part will be 6 sevens are 42. So 8742 is our answer. Let us see the third question over here. Now 82, you find the deviation, it will be minus 18, and 92 deviation is minus 8. You can check it up. Now cross multiply. When you cross multiply, that is 82 minus 8, it will be 74, the first part. The second part will be 144. How do you get 144? 18 multiplied by 8, 144. Now over here, the second part contains 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. How many digits should be there? There should be 2 digits, because that is the concept. So what do we do this with this 1 over here? What we do with this 1 is we add it to 74. Right? And final answer you will get 74 plus 1, 75, and 44. This is your final answer. Let us see the next part. Number 1. 102 multiplied by 103. If you adopt the base multiplication method, you will get the answer quick and fast, and that is what our aim is. Right, 102 is greater than 100 by 2. So can you see plus 2? You can write the deviation up. Similarly, 103 is greater than 100 by 3. Once you get this, 50% of your problem is solved. The second part. The second thing now is to get the first part of the answer. How do we get the first part of the answer? 102 plus 3, which is 105. And if you see the other way around, 103 plus 2, that also will be 105. In either cases, if you cross multiply, you should get the first part of the answer, and that is same. Now what is left over? Left over is 2 multiplied by 3, which is 6. But can we write 6 over there? No. 6 is only 1 digit. And 100 has how many digits? 2 digits. So we write 06. So 06. And finally, when you combine the two answers together, you have 10506. This is when you multiply 102 into 103. Now you can see, without any calculations, without anything, you have done this hard. And with practice, you can get this the sum very fast. Second question. 109 multiplied by 112. 109 multiplied by 110. The first thing, are both these numbers greater than 100? Yes, they are. The first number is greater by 9. This is the deviation. Second number is greater by 12. This is the second deviation. Okay, after getting this, then we 109 plus. When it was minus, we were minusing. Now over here we are adding. There you go. 102 plus 3, the same thing, 109 plus 12. 109 plus 12 will be 121. 109 plus 12, 121, or 112 plus 9, 121. The second part will be 12 nines are 108. The second part of the answer contains how many digits? 3. We shouldn't have 3 digits over here. So this 1 will be carried over here to 121. So final answer we have 122 and 02. And 02 forms the second part of the answer having 2 digits. So 122.08 is your answer. The third question. 104 multiplied by 108, you can take. These are random questions I am taking just to follow all the 3 cases. So 104. The deviation for this is 4. The deviation for 108 is 8. 104 plus 8, 112. 108 plus 4, 112 also. Either way, the first part of the answer will be same. What is the second part of the answer? Multiply the 2 deviations. 4 multiplied by 8, 32. Combining the 2 answers together, the 2 parts, 112, 3, 2. This is your answer when you multiply 104 by 108. Please like, share and subscribe my videos so that I can post some videos later on for your information. Thank you so much.